Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to do test order in Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead on your admin page of your Shopify store, right? And from here just simply click on your settings, which is located the lower left corner of the screen. Okay, and from here you want to select on payments. Okay, and just simply choose a payment provider. Now from here just search for testing and you will see a payment provider here saying for testing bogus gateway. So you want to click on that and simply click on activate. So this will be gateway for your test order. So if you are wondering if you want to test the order and if you are wondering what card number to use, don't worry, all the card number will be here. So as you can see, there are test credit number right here for Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club. So you just want to make note that the name of the card answer at least 2 words, expire date, any date in the future. The security code is enter any 3 digits, and the card number you just want to use any of the following numbers. And the card number you just want to use any of the following number right here. So in order to create or do a test order, you want to go to your Shopify page or the store page that you have created and just simply buy your own products after clicking the buy. Now for your products, you just want to enter the card number details. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.